Put on for your own state. They ain't scared to come outside. I ain't gonna even count like that. They ain't scared to come outside now, but they too cold to come outside. You know what I'm saying? You know them dogs, we don't care, we hunting any weather, you feel me? Right now we hunting elephants. DJ Dallas, man, where y'all boys at, man? Koolaid Mckinstry. Matter of fact, well, listen, y'all boys need to come back. Boy, y'all need to try to get y'all the championship before y'all leave. What? Y'all don't want to be the only class of recruits that came to Alabama and get no championship while you was in the last in the Nick Saban era, do you? Well, y'all the first. Y'all the first. Boy, I can't deliver that message personally. Koolaid, Dallas, Pope. Who else? Justin, hey, y'all still got a little time either to transfer and get your tight at the University of Georgia, or y'all could be a casualty too. What? Y'all boys ain't even get no chip while y'all was here. Y'all the first. Congratulations. Yeah, man, we pulling up to this big, beautiful, nice stadium. I ain't gonna count. It's more beautiful. Nice ass stadium. Yeah, man. Yeah, this how we slide. Oh, bingo, this how we slide. Bud all shit. Bryant Denny. They might be mad. That might be gang that, okay. Don't swerve, man. Keep your eyes on the road, man. Don't watch me, watch the road. You feel before you ready. I ain't saying you ain't got them no Bama boys pulling up the Sanford Stadium like that, but I'm just saying, you know, we gonna pull up. We gonna pull up, huh? And you know, we ain't, I mean, you can take it as disrespect. We ain't coming to disrespect nobody, man. We just, let you know we'll pull up. So they got a whole little tailgate, little spizz out. Dang, they're pretty sporty. Check these boys out. The Roll Tide. This is Roll Tide spot, yo. Roll Tide. Okay. Nah, go Dogs, nigga. Y'all got the SEC championship. Ain't do nothing with it. Man. Hey, man, signing out, man. Always, man. Go motherfucking Dogs.